water heater. So here is the finished product. There's a shower.
I'm Jamie, and this is Dan, and you've got a front row seat to all the highs, lows, and moments in between on this wild ride we call bus life.
So that is the sink. We've got both feed lines. Got the lines running through under the shower. Back here we'll have a water tank. That is interior plumbing laid out. Let's look at the back of the rig real quick. Okay, that was hard, but I got it on. Wham bam, stainless steel clamping now. We're going to run these up here, and then we're going to elbow these out as well. There's our supply lines, all nicely PEXed out. Alright, so next up, see if we can't mount this. Might be pretty cool. Here's the water heater, 10 or a 12 liter. It's pretty big. It's gonna go in the rear closet, and it's gonna give us unlimited hot water even in the winter. So didn't really want to film this one because it's just too hard to get in there in a film. But we've got screws in the top, screws in the bottom. This is successfully mounted. Now let's get the plumbing connected. Going up into the shower. Hot water coming out, going down, back into things. We need to mount this through the wall into a threaded 1/2 inch Type 2 PEX adapter. Then we need to mount that to a board. Then we'll need the pipes going up into it. And then those need to be rigidly mounted because the shower nozzle that we bought has no other way of mounting other than on a rigid pipe. So we need to create that. So yeah, I'm thinking we'll probably put the water valve like right over here. Put it like, I feel like down here is just too low. I feel like we need to run the PEX like over, up, and then through the wall. I'll probably have the board going maybe like right up here. That's one. Do the other one. Here is the finished product. Still have to get, I've got some more crimps on order. Not everything is crimped, but most of it is. So there is a lot happening in this frame because there's actually a substantial amount of plumbing. Starting at the very beginning, we have cold water in. When this comes up, it tees out. There will be an elbow here, and then it's going to go straight up into the cold water connector for our shower. Cold water goes up behind here, connects to this ball valve. Now this ball valve allows you to turn off the cold water supply to the hot water tank. So at that point, there's no pressure coming in here, which means there's no hot water going out, which means we can have cold showers, or we can just turn it off and winterize. This is the winterization valve. Continuing down, there's another T. This is a new one. There's another ball valve. This one will be in the off position almost all the time. And below it is a garden hose connector. Inside, I have a garden hose to air hose connector. They're called blowout valves, or blowout connectors. And that allows us to connect the truck air line to this. So we can close the winterization valve, and that stops any pressure from going that way. Open this valve, connect the air pressure valve, everything, and then we can blow out all of the water through cold line, up into the water heater, back out the hot line, down and out of this. This is our outdoor shower. So that's the winterization method. The only way that these tanks really fail is if you don't winterize them. If you let them freeze, the internal tank will crack. So in normal operation, this will be closed. This will be open. Cold water will flow into here, and if we want, it's going to go down through there, up through the cold, out of the quick connect. Otherwise, the water will go through here into the hot water heater, come out here, and goes down to another T, and that T connects to this. So we have a quick connect shower assembly pretty much. This can be used for an outdoor shower hose. It can be used, more importantly, for a regular hose. We can just blurp on a little hose and have a connector. The regular water will go back through here into the T, down, and then it tees off for the hot water in the shower, and then it continues on back to the sink. So a lot of plumbing, but that's our little shower sitch. All right, here is the final backer board. So PEX dropouts going down. We're going to mount this into place, get it really zip tied in, and then we will have connectors. Turned out to be a bit of a doozy. All right, these are final zip ties. There's a shower.
Whoa. That's so cool.
There it is.
Nice job of it.
So this is the temperature, and then this is the flow. Yeah, that is one hella big step done. Next question. Does our shower thing connect? Let's find out. I might say that's too much Teflon tape, and they might be right, but they're not here right now, so on it goes. Other step down. Shower is done and installed. Still have to mount it Gotta figure out if we want, and do we want it mounted near the center? Do we want to mount it in the corner for more of a diagonal shower? I don't really know, but there's no need to mount it right now, right this second. So that is everything connected. That is the shower. So all I have to do left is drill a couple small screws, mount that holder. Other than that, that is all she wrote. Well, I guess there's a few little touch-ups I still gotta do. I gotta connect the tank, do a few connections over here, connect the outlet, gotta connect these and test them out still, put plumber's tape and all that stuff on those, but we are close, that's for sure. Done with the shower for today, done with everything I'm gonna do on the shower for today. So let's go relax a little bit. I didn't even watch any YouTube videos. I just bought the PEX crimper, the PEX cutter, and we are just gonna send it. I hate PEX.